What's going on, everyone? Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. It's Worm Wednesday. I really want to see how the worms did with this apple core and the lettuce, and then also see if any takers have gone into the little cardboard tube condo. So we'll go ahead and jump right in and see how it's looking. Hey, we got another little sprout. Okay, nobody's hanging on that. They're eating through the coffee filter. Let me throw this on the tripod and we'll check it out. Okay, let's see what the sprout is. I love it. There's my potato. Oh. From when I shredded a little piece of plastic. I'll get that out of there. Okay, knock off some of this. There are some worms all around the apple. All the lettuce is gone. And the apple, it's pretty mushy. So I'm just going to put that to the side for now. Actually, I'll go sideways with it. Check out the newest one first. This one here's really breaking down. Ooh, look, he's going in. Okay. Yeah, it looks like a ton of castings around the side. I'm loving it. It's looking good. Turn some of this. Okay, so for this feeding, putting the apple piece back in, this was some of the Boston bib lettuce that was actually still outside, and we've gotten snow, so it's kind of mushy now. And then we had some lettuce from salads earlier. You can see it's turning, so they're going to get all this. And even a little onion, because they did well with the red onion the last time. So I have my peanut shells ground up peanut shells that I'll add. I have some more coffee. I'll put the new filter on top of the feeding zone. This is the old filter, and you can see that they've been kind of going through it a little bit. So I'll just fold it up, throw it on top. I like the sand, so I'll throw a little sand, and actually I'll even throw some back this way too. Just cover it up. Give them all some grit, and then the good old ground up eggshells. Okay, I'm going to cover everything up. I'm going to take a handful from over here. Okay. Place the new coffee filter there. Give it a couple shots for some moisture. And this newspaper's seen some better days. It might be getting ready to get changed out. Just turned into some bedding for them. And give them a little squirt
Just a
there.
quick update. I did finally get some seeds in. This top one from Gurney's, and then Baker Creek Seeds. So I look to do a seed haul video here shortly. I also stopped by and picked up more Dollar Tree seeds. I got problems, people, but hopefully this season's going to be kicking butt. With Gurney, I did order bare root strawberries, bare root asparagus, and a hybrid horseradish. They said based on my zone 7A that it won't ship until the 25th. So hopefully once I get those in, I can start looking to see what area of the garden I want to place everything. So thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day.